Look, we are at the Mosel by the grape field. Come and join us, Kalakwachero, Kalakwachera. We will go to the grape field. Look, we are here along the Mosel, along the river in Germany. Ayan, Ricky, you see at our back, it's all grapes plantation. Actually, this is a private property, pero nakaakyat kami. Look, it's all grapes, ang daming bunga. Ayan, picture tayo dito hanggang wala yung may-ari ng grapes at illegal kaming naandito. Nakikipicture lang po, hindi po kami nangunguha. We're not picking up your grapes, ha? We're just making picture. Nakakatuwa kasi super nakakatuwa. There's a lot of grapes here. Look, kita nyo sa likod, ayan, sa the mountain tuloy. Ayan, oh. Lahat yan grapes. Daming taniman ng grapes. All over is grapes. Ginagawa nilang wine plantation. So they have a lot of wine from Germany. So it's all from here. And actually during October or somewhere in September, I don't know kung anong month yun, they have a wine festival here. Free wine taste. Yeah, kung mahilig kayo sa wine, come here in this place at they have a wine festival here every year. Look. But we get now our restaurant for schnitzel. That's why we came along the Mosels because we want to find a schnitzel restaurant. So of course this is our 5th country for today, Germany. So our travel is not complete without schnitzel. So we went to Trier and now we are here along the Mosel. So we went to a schnitzel restaurant here by the camping. Yeah, so we will have a look and we will try if their schnitzel is good. So we are along the camping, along the Mosels, and on the other side is the grape plantation. Look, yes, our food arrived, and look, it looks so yummy. So we will check and we will let you know later if the food is really good. The schnitzel food is good, but they got a lot of people eating here, so maybe it's good. So this is here by the camping, as you see. This is camping, and this is the schnitzel restaurant in the camping. Yeah, and the food is okay. Really, food is nice. Food is yummy. So if you come here, you can eat in this restaurant. Yes, highly recommended. The schnitzel is also big portion and it's a good price. So wow, that's my schnitzel. Yummy, so huge.
A few moments later.
Yeah, we came here still light, maliwanag pa, but now as you see, it's dark na, paggabi na siya. But it's already 9 o'clock or 9:30. So paggabi na po, we're going back to the Netherlands na. So we will drive through here in the Mosel and through Germany, going back to the Netherlands. So I don't know what time we will arrive, so you can come and join us. Thank you for joining. So this is the schnitzel restaurant by the camping, the night view. As you see, it's almost night, so we will drive now going to the Netherlands. So bye for now, Germany. We will go home na. Yes, thank you for a nice schnitzel. So we arrive actually at 12:45 here in Prinsimir. Thank you.